Hi guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to make a dome bag. These are the materials we'll be using: a zipper, tape roll, Ankara fabric, lining, bridal satin, scissors, and interfacing. The measurement for this bag will be 17 inches by 11 inches. So I have both my lining and my Ankara fabric. And the next thing I will do is to fold this together. I'm also going to fold again. So from this point, on this folded point, we're going to measure 1.5 inches up and 1.5 inches down. 1.5 inches. When you have done that, you're going to cut this off. When that is done, we now look for a round object and place at the edge of your fabric this way. We are going to trace this out. I'm going to also cut that out. When this is done, you can now open your fabric, and this is what here we have. You will take your Ankara piece and you are going to iron your strong interfacing on the Ankara part. You have ironed and interfacing, and the fabric is strong interfacing. So the next thing you want to do is to place your Ankara this way. Take your zipper. You're going to open this into two. You're going to pick one part. So now you pick your lining. You're going to stitch round like that. In this other part of the zipper, you're going to stitch the same way. Turn your zipper, put your lining, and also going to stitch it round the back. After stitching, you can see I stitched the zip and the lining together. We are going to turn the bag out from this side. After turning inside out, take your bag back to your pressing iron and you press it. After that, you're going to top stitch on the zip. You top stitch. I have iron and top stitch on the zip side. You can see how neat the bag is looking right now. So the next thing you want to do is to fold this bag into two equal parts so that we get the middle. And from the middle, you're going to measure 2 inches to this side and to this side also. So from this part, 3 inches. So from this part to this part, 3 inches, and from this midpoint to this point, 2 inches. This is where we'll be fixing the handle of the bag. This is the handle of the bag. This is the bridal satin. I've already ironed a strong interfacing on it. The measurement is 17 inches by 4 inches. So I just fold it, and make sure that I'm going to run a straight stitch. I'm going to do the same for this other handle. Okay guys, I have stitched the handle. So the next thing you want to do, you will measure 3 inches. 3 inches on this side. I'm also going to measure 3 inches from this side. So you want to go back and sew this handle. You fold it, and you will stitch from these 3 inches I marked. You will stitch to these 3 inches here. So you leave this place, you will not stitch it. You will do the same to this other. This is what the handle look like after stitching. So we are going to fix this this part that we have marked before. So we're going to fold the edge a bit. We're going to stitch this part here. You will sew in square. I'm also going to fold the other side. I'm also going to stitch this here. And stitch the other handle on this other side of the bag. I have stitched the handle of the bag, and this is what it looks like. Now the next thing to do is to join this bag together. We are going to stitch this part. I'm also going to stitch this part same way. So guys, I've come to the end of this tutorial. Please subscribe, like this video, and drop your opinion about this bag in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.